Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one-eyed Great Dane, back with day 463, Star Drop opening. So let's see what we have.
Rare.
Starting with a rare, 20 bling,
Rare.
that's another rare, 10 credits,
Super rare.
and a super rare of 100 coins. And looks like I logged in. I'm gonna say just about time. I mean, whenever you log in, it's 6 days, 23 hours, no matter what. Or rather, I should say they reduce an hour from the time you claim. I mean, I'm glad it's not a 24-hour schedule at the very least, but I still think it should just refresh daily like the regular Star Drops. It's kind of annoying to have to wait exactly 23 hours after claiming, but at least you can slowly scale back the clock to something that's more convenient. Again, I didn't actually realize it was 1,000 coins tomorrow instead of 300, so that's nice, but again, the coins don't really matter for what I do here, but at least on Friday I'll probably try to time that day 8 Star Drop so you guys can see. But anyway, without further ado,
Epic.
I have an epic 500 XP doublers for my day 6 daily login calendar. Again, I don't know exactly why we have the login calendar, but again, who can complain about free rewards, right? So in the event selection, we have Knockout 5v5. Nothing else really too special going on. Again, the biggest things I'd say is if you haven't seen yet on the official Brawl Stars YouTube channel, they just posted a... what do they call it? It's kind of their draw up for like the following year. Again, the roadmap, that's what they're calling it. So they have the roadmap going forward to next year. Again, it's not all definite, but it's their general outline for what they're looking to achieve. I highly suggest you watch it if you haven't yet. Again, I didn't know it was the thing until I just saw it in my recommended feed, which again, I'm too busy to be looking at my recommended feed anyway, but I saw it existed, so we know it's there. Again, I do generally like the path they're taking, so again, the one thing I'd like to see changed as soon as possible is just the whole PowerPoint thing. Is just, it's been absurd for a long time, but just almost hitting 100,000 now it's interesting. But anyway, again, let me know what you guys are thinking of Dark Keep Pearl or the newly introduced Nightmare Nani skin. Again, I think they're both pretty cool skins, and it has nothing to do with them being slightly shaded purple, okay? But we also have El Dragon skins in the shop, both Rosado and Verdoso. Again, I think I'm pronouncing those right. Anyway, they're both epic skins, so you could potentially get them for free out of a Star Drop. Again, I'll pull it up, but I know for a fact that you can purchase these in the catalog.
El Primo.
So again, you can either save up bling or just get them for free, potentially out of Star Drops, whatever you guys prefer. Or if you really have a hankering for them, you just get them now at a discount for gems. I have some resource offers here, coins, power points. If you don't really want any more power points, I have a daily freebie of 60 XP doublers and 15 coins. Again, I just try not to buy resources if I can help it, because reasonably you'd be getting those for free in the game anyway. But again, really not too much actually going on inside of the game, but I don't know if I'll link it, but definitely just try and check out that video, because it's going to give us a pretty good idea going forward. The most significant thing, which I watched in Ray's Brawl Stars video, is about rank 35s, and someone was actually asking me in the comments, right? So actually, I'll come back to this in a second. How many rank 35s do I have? Let me turn this off. I currently have, or is it 35s? Oh. So I only have rank 30s right now, so if it was 35s, I technically have none, but what I do know is if you have at least... I can't remember if it's 35s or 30s. Either way, 35 is really hard to achieve. 30 is moderately hard to achieve, especially if you're playing with randoms. But I think it was 35. So one rank 35 will get you a pin, and then 10 rank 35s will get you a what's it called? A title, right? Let me see if I can pull it up here. Again, I don't have it.
Invisibility.
Trying to give you guys a general idea here. The battle card titles, you'll get an exclusive pin and title, and you have until the end of this season before I believe they implement that new update. So if it's 35s, I don't know if I'm gonna try because, again, I only really play with randoms, so that would be an absolute nightmare. And it'd be so hard to even just get one. Like, even just rank 30s felt like a tremendous effort, but after the rehaul, it should be a lot easier. So as of now, I currently have 3 rank 30s. So again, I really don't know if I'll even bother trying for that. At least one would be nice, but it'd have to be a really broken character if I even have a chance, because, again, 30s was already so difficult with randoms. I don't even really want to think about what 35 would be. But again, I might just rewatch the video quick myself. I do believe it was 35, so it'd take a tremendous effort for casual players to really get there. But anyway, as of today, I have 1,177 XP doublers and 97,636 power points. Again, let me know if you guys have any rank 35s. I know someone with like 12 rank 30s, which again I'd still say is rather impressive. But 35 almost just seems impossible to reach without a dedicated team comp, at least in my opinion. Or just teaming in solo showdown, or win trading, I guess, is the other thing that's even worse, right? If you're doing one of those things, you're pretty much guaranteed to get easy rank 35s. But then again, it questions the integrity of the game. So, hey, you know, if you're cool with it, what are they gonna do, right? Because, like, according to Supercell, they don't actually care that much. Or win trading, they're trying to do something about, but they can't really do all that much. But teaming, they actually support for some reason. So again, that's just been an issue since the start. They were against it initially, realized it was hard to get rid of, and then said, hey, it's cool now, or something. So yeah, again, let me know what you guys think of the skins in the shop if you plan on buying any. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.